Hi everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I have a little Hermes unboxing for you. Now, where did we last leave off in the Hermes journey? I revealed my Birkin. Birkin 35, I was so excited with it. And it did say, I feel like at the end of that video or maybe in a follow-up one, I wasn't really sure what was next in my Hermes journey. Well, here we are today, and we have something pretty exciting. I have now switched home stores. I was at a local home store, which was very, very, very competitive, very specific kind of clientele. And I have switched to a home store that is in New York City. So I think it's a better match. And I really, really love my sales associate. We just have like a special bond, a special chemistry, special friendship. I mean, like, your SA is not your friend, but they are, you know, like they are doing a job, but also, yeah, sometimes you just become friends with people and sometimes you don't. But in this case, I did. So yeah, I switched home stores and I was there for business. I'm often there for business. And I picked some items up and one more item's still coming. So I don't know if I'll do like a separate video for that or if I'll just, you know, not everything needs an unboxing video. But I just wanted to be a little bit transparent that I also picked up some other things while getting this. I guess this is the thing, because people are always like, how do you get bags? And it's like, just shop there. If you shop at Hermes, you will get bags. That is like, that is how it works. It's not that complicated. Don't overthink it. Just shop there and you'll get bags. But also, yeah, I have a whole separate video on tips. Anyway, the first thing I picked up, I was really excited about. It is so cute. They had this actually in their recent runway show. I don't know if this is like a different version or if it's just like permanent collection or like what, but it is this really cute ruffle mock neck little turtleneck situation. And so I thought that this is gonna be so cute in the winter, like layered under things. I really liked the recent ready-to-wear show that was in New York. I felt like it was a lot, normally Hermes ready-to-wear, it's so outdoorsy and I'm just like not an outdoorsy girl. I'm an inside girl. But this or something just like it was in the runway and I thought it was so cute and like a little bit more modern. And the fabric content is, it's 99% silk and 1% polyamide, if that makes sense. I think it's like more the collar because it's like very stretchy up here, but this feels very silky. So I think this is a really great layering piece, a really great winter piece, just like really super duper cute ruffle thing. You can't see the details, but IRL, it's so pretty. I got a size 42 and I don't know how much it was. A couple thousand. I don't know. And they packed it in this really, really cute box. Because I was traveling and it's like hard to travel with boxes. Okay, so there's that. I'm like, then it's like, do I keep a box for a shirt? I don't think so. I think I can recycle that. Okay, and then here is the main event, the star of the show. This is my first one, and I can say right now, if you follow me on Instagram, you have already seen it. Also, the trifecta is complete. It is a Rose Pop Constance 18. Fits the phone, fits everything you need, the basics. It is a palladium hardware, goat skin. So pretty and bright and happy. Goes crossbody, a little bit of a higher cross on me, but it still meets the criteria. It is just stunning, 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 stunning. Interior, I think is This feels like Swift. It's like very different. I think it's all one color, but you know, each of the leathers kind of interprets or takes the dye differently. This bag is just so pretty. Little mirror, cute. But I like, the outside feels like very hard wearing, and then the inside is just like so soft. And the sticker's already coming off. I'm gonna have to remove the sticker. I'm a sticker remover now these days. I got bullied into it by my sales associate. But I just thought this is the cutest little pink color. Just a little pop of something. I actually really like it with black or like white t-shirt and jeans. I think it's like really good as its own piece of pink in an outfit. Oh yeah, here's the receipt. So, oh, the pullover was 1,600. And then the Constance was 10,600. And it is, okay, that's that. Rose Pop in Chamkila goatskin. Constance 3 mini mirror handbag. 10,300. The packaging was 5 cents. I don't know why. It's fine. Tax. Bam, bam. Yeah. And then I ordered another cardigan, which is coming soon. Coming soon. And actually I had to pay a little bit higher tax because California tax is higher than New York. What do you know? Anyway, that was just like a quick speedy little reveal. So now where does the Hermes journey take us? Honestly, yeah, I think I'm gonna probably be in touch with my style advisor over text, and if he sees things that he thinks are right for me, then we'll do it remote, and then when I visit in person, that'll be the time to consider bags. But honestly, I was talking about this in another video that I filmed for 24A. I don't know which one I'm gonna post first, but anyways, I'm kind of in a place in my life where I want to only have 20 handbags or fewer. And so right now I'm above that, especially with this. And then I got another bag from Métier Dot and Chanel. And so I need to figure out a strategy. I'm not sure what the strategy is, but I just feel like 20, more than 20 is too many. Probably also 20 is too many, but I can't really discuss that. I drew a line in the sand and I'm gonna stick to it. Okay, you guys? Okay, don't be crazy. All right, I think I'm in love with this bag. Sorry, I was like, I don't know why I'm being so weird about this unboxing. I think because I was like so drama about like my Hermes journey, but now I think we're just coming to the fun part of the journey. Also, I have the trifecta now. I have the Birkin, I have the Kelly, I have the Constance, I have the, can you see that? The 24-24, like, listen, it's been a big year for bags. It's been a big bag year. So maybe it would be okay if this is, you know, we slow our roll. Good Lord. I know it's called Maddie Shops, but even then, sometimes I surprise myself. This bag is just stunning, by the way. The construction, like, why are you so perfect? And the foam does fit in the back. It's better if you put it towards one of these separator pieces because you see how it goes in. So like it does push it out a little, but not terrible. And yeah, that's that. That is that, and a bag of chips. Anyway, I hope you're all having a really great day. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think of the Constance. Do you have the Constance? Do you like the Constance? Do you say Constance? Constance. Constance. I don't know. I don't know, you guys. So pretty. Okay, I will see you guys in my next one. Have a great day. Bye.